park that blooming skate in the passageway.
Sir, yeah, sir, push.
Mr. me give me a rotted lick, yes,
Sir, me can make diamonds, sir.
I have a better idea what you can do with a piece of string there.
What, sir?
Hang yourself. Weird. Oh, no, still there? Oh, no, no, man, look where?
Sir, we's just 12.
Well, they soon understand and I trade the better. Because the competition stiff out there.
Me not trade. Me have a turn a river.
Yes, Mr. Radio Announcer. But I don't think there is one person in Jamaica we're going to find enough time to listen to your program.
Or a DJ. Hey, sir, Mutu is a bad DJ, sir. A 2 years, sir. Hey, Mutu, do a you rifle, sir? Which one, Milo?
Anyone.
It don't really matter, Mutu. Anyone. Hey, Mutu. Yeah? We are set you up, yeah? Yeah.
Milo.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I no thief you thief the boombox there. My granny is a man.
No, sir. It is my auntie. Send it for my Christmas from England.
Auntie, England, Christmas.
Oh, look where? Hey, Mutu, you ready? Yeah. Make sure you're ready, Mutu. Because last time you say you're ready, you're never ready. Mr. Ready, spar. Just run the rhythm. We are taking from the intro here. Yeah. Sounds cold, bear you to the ball tonight. Chicka-bow, wow. I'm gonna let you ball tonight. What up? Stop doing bad. I'm gonna stop doing that. But this week,
own a DJ style. You can call it the the stutter style. Come down. He who laugh last, laugh best. Only thing we never hear on inside, you know. About how we have to put time up. And I sing about how me licky. About we want to come and entrance. And are you starting? And you are the ringleader. But you say for me, if you sit down, feel you if you sit in the common entrance, you're going to turn in a six-zed, tell you, Ben.
Sir, I'm going to take him up, sir.
But that's all you come to school for. Clean up the garbage.
Sir, so what we going to know, sir?
Try prayers. So can't pay your life, say you're a scuba diver. to the staff room, you see, because I make a little order and I'm going to fill it and then come back up to it. But listen, I'm going to try. I'm going to do some work on my own. I'm going to study on a book on my own because I'm not kill up myself because I'm well on my way to England. You hear me? So I'm going to study some work. You hear boy? You study your book. Study your book. Study your book. Oh, tired. Both on the one sit common entrance. On the dance like. Study your book. Study your book.
Why God make some of it dance and some of it right?
Me not done. He make all of we with the same brains.
Yeah, but you know, like when you buy something new and you get a little book into the box to tell you how to use it.
A manual.
Yeah. Well, God give everybody brains, but if we get somehow with the manual. Me never get no manual.
Me get two.
If me to get it, it lasts.
Sometimes it feels like we're alone against the world.
We need someone on our side.
Just to love us,
And praise us.
help us in the fight.
We need someone on our side.
We's only little boys.
And we's only little girls.
It's such a bumpy ride.
We need someone on our side. Sometimes we need a hand. Sometimes it's just a smile. Someone on our side. Someone on our side. To give a helping hand. Someone on our side. To help us in the fight. Someone on our side. To love us for who we are. To make it through this world, we need someone on our side.
Ooh, sometimes it feels like we can't make it through this world.
We need someone on our side.
To encourage,
Guide us,
teach us what is right.
We need someone on our side. Someone on our side. To give a helping hand. Someone on our side. To help us in the fight. Someone on our side. To love us for who we are. For to make it through this world, we need someone on our side. We need someone by our
A teacher, and being a teacher, I'm not making a lot of money. So I try to be creative, and I decide so when I go and go sell a little dry goods in order to complement my salary. And now go on right now sit down in front of me, you know what me money and you know what I'm paying. How they said me if you go back and market if you don't pay me money? It's my neck. No, you there? Oh, you see that man here?
Not to allow the children of six-zed to sing the common entrance and carry down the school average.
What, Rev, you know?
No. Think about it. 27,000 children are going to sit the exam this year.
That's correct.
There's only space in high school for 4,000.
Yeah.
Now, what chance do these morons have? You know, when I look at these kids, I wish to myself that birth control were retroactive.
Oh, no, Rev. None of them so bad, man.
You see, when this was a private school,
Yeah.
I had nothing but the best uptown,
Yes.
middle class,
Aye.
brown-skinned children.
Okay.
I had a 100% success record. And you know why?
No.
Because those children had the right environment.
Okay.
Married parents.
That's right.
The right genes. Now we talk about we are government aided, equal rights and equal opportunity. Manly and the blasted communist philosophy. All allowing Rasta people to come to my school.
And in foot dirty.
Did you know that there is a go-go dancer whose daughter is coming to the school? Go-go dancer!
You lie.
Yes! But Bringle, I know why these children can't learn. They cannot learn because they are too black. It's a scientific fact. Alright. We all know that dark surfaces attract heat, right? So, because them head so black, it attracts more of the sun's rays, and as a result, bake them brains. But Bringle, you are doing a fantastic job. So don't back down. We will not allow the children of six-zed to sing the common entrance and carry on the school of.
Hi, fellas.
Hurricane Hattie.
That's right.
Aye. No, call over here, make your principal know say your name. Rev, please to meet Racquel Smith's mother.
Oh! We've met?
Say what?
Must be PTA.
Hello, Rattrick.
What is it you want, lady?
Mama, pick me if you take exam just like the others as sixth grader.
Well, it won't happen.
Why?
Because the children of six-zed have no chance of passing.
And you decided from the first grade to weed them out and let all kind of underqualified teacher from them.
Try your brakes, not this year. I'm telling everyone like you don't know me. I am highly qualified.
Exactly.
Everybody knows there's a 3-year course.
Now ask how much years you spend on that. 6 years. 3 years in the first year and 2 in the second year. 6 years.
Now, honestly, Racquel get for your brain slammer. And that's a lie. That is a lie. Because me got my microsurfeit
Oh, hush, Bringle! You think these bogus documents can fool anybody? And I want to let you into a little secret, you see? There's no K in certificate.
So why
You think I was going to hire some hotshot teacher who fancied his chances of getting his nincompoops in the common entrance? Huh? No way!
In other words, the only reason Bertram
Listen, don't call me Bertram.
the only reason him get the job is because you believe him not no use, right?
Exactly!
Say what?
No! Bertram!
You say me the man call me Bertram for one hand.
Bertram! Don't you see what she's trying to do? She's trying to get us to fight against each other. But it won't work, eh, Bertram?
Tell you the truth, drop shot, it a work.
They will not take the exam. I will not allow the children of 6-zed to sit the common entrance and carry down my school average. And there's nothing none of Unu can do about it.
Really? Not even if me tell the school board about your antics after that up at El Rancho, Reverend.
Say what?
It's a lie. I don't even know where El Rancho is. Plus, I don't even think it's safe for them all upstairs building have so much crowd on Friday night time.
Really? So, I guess you never hear the song, Let's Get It On.
Marvin Gaye.
Yes.
No!
This song you can't resist.
Mosquito.
The one my have to dance for your 5 and 6, 7, 8. Are you dance it with me?
I don't know what you're talking about. disgrace themselves. Them don't know A from bullfoot. And as to this semi-literate fraud, there's nothing he can do to help them.
I guess him right. No sense in making them sit the exam. They will never be ready in time.
Well, if they must take in private lessons.
Me can't afford it.
We're not busy enough to come in well on my way to England.
How about free private lesson?
You're mad! Me, I'm going to tell that woman I want me to pay over his water if you want to come. Me, I tell them the Lord could have blessed me and make me win one of them $20,000 first prize lottery.
Bertram! Blessings is something you have to earn by doing good.
Me must it turn well bad. If all Hurricane Hattie have preached to me. Alright. May think about it. But it's how you know everybody business, so me says.
Pillar tap, Bertram. Pillar tap, Lord Bertram.
Alright, let me see you go on.
Gee, Bertram, man!
Say go on, let me see. Me know me shouldn't have me dozen fluxy man go one time. I want them Dorcas did carry back home the toilet paper. For no my white fowls, sir.
Sir, we don't have any future, sir.
How you mean you don't have any future? Future? After Minister plans, I'm going to send up the whole town to visit the common entrance.
Is you making fun of us, sir?
I is as serious as a judge.
We can't pass common entrance, sir.
Every evening, from now until common entrance, I shall be giving private lessons. Alright, for free. Yeah! When teach that hip-shotted, drop-shot and lesson.
Yeah! Sir, make we celebrate, sir! Yes, sir! And we, you down in there, Phoebe! Yeah, Racquel, come here! Oh, tear me up, baby!
Everybody, wanna catch me?
Yeah! Yes, Phoebe! Yeah, Phoebe! Yeah, Phoebe! Yeah, yeah! You must be mad!
A class of 73 in it. 32 years later. I wonder what became of them. The invite says 6, isn't it? It's almost 7. Where's them lot? Milo?
Bertram, how you doing, man?
Absolutely marvelous.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good yourself. Oh,
Yes. Who? Look again, man. Look again.
Mutu!
That's right. That's right.
But my stage name is Admiral Stutter.
Your stage name?
Yes, I'm a singer now.
Oh, you are a singer? Marvelous. Absolutely huh?
Other side, man. Other side.
Other side. Oh, Racquel!
You're looking at a former Miss Jamaica.
And accountant.
Marvelous.
That's right. See me here.
Porridge.
Oh,
Here! Girl, come give me a hug, man.
Phoebe! tell me now, does this mean you stop nyamming porridge?
Actually, I sell it now. You never hear about the fast food chain, Porridge or Us?
Girl, come give me another hug, man.
You know, you almost all look intelligent.
You go on.
Even you, that shit's Titus Johnson.
Yep, but it's Dr. Johnson.
Doctor? Oh! It's a feel a rotting pain in the man.
I'm sorry, BB, but I'm not that kind of doctor. I specialize in
Gynecology.
So, Titus, does this mean you stop sucking the raw finger?
Thing of the past, BB.
A thing of the past, he says. Mom!
Girl, come give me a hug, man. Guess who? Guess who? Phoebe.
Dorcas!
Oh, Dorcas! Dorcas! Oh, Dorcas, your mouth! Dorcas, your dentist must be a magician! So, Dorcas, what are you doing with your gorgeous self?
Well, I'm about to open my second day spa in Mobino.
Is that
Oh, girl, come give me another hug, man.
Racquel Smith?
Actually, it's Racquel Smith hyphen and Diggity now.
Congratulations! Girl, come give me another hug!
So, Milo, what are you doing with your life?
So you don't watch TV?
I'm hardly ever around.
You don't recognize your Minister of Finance.
Thief in Milo.
Careful now, Bertram. That was back in the day, man. Hold on. Is this a razor fool?
Mr. Minister.
So, tell us what came out of that Senate investigation into those misappropriated funds at your ministry, Mr. Flower.
Say what?
That was just a little opposition smear campaign, man. You see, what really happened... Yes, right.
So tell me, you all did pass your common entrance in 73.
Bertram! What part of we could have passed common entrance?
Luckily we got into the junior secondary high school.
Yes, but with a new attitude. You see, by 9th grade, we was ready for the achievement test.
You see, it seems like we were all late bloomers.
And don't ask if you never buck down in the high school.
Yes.
But I am still proud to know that I did lay the foundation for holiness.
Right, but Bertram, what about you? I mean, you disappeared just as we were about to sit the common entrance.
Yeah.
Well, there was this ad in the newspapers for teachers to go to England. I submitted my documents and I was fortunate they said...
Bringle!
Alright. Me work up some bandolo papers. Me send them in and me get you. I am telling you, I didn't think Jamaica picnic in trouble.
Till you buck up on foreign picnic.
Jehovah! Me say them undisciplined, ill manners of you know, say them things that third world black people live in a tree.
And guess what? You can't lick them, you know.
No.
And who don't know how me love liquor?
Oh, yes.
Me says, man, one day me go get bakes and come one little force right speckle face boy in a head. The following man in the boy no bring him papa come to school to me. Hear the man him to me now. Hitting is a very primitive response to disputes. This is England, the mother country. We are not in the Caribbean, you know. We don't have monkeys here. Then me notice the little white piggy then start make monkey face out of me. Me say I get so vexed. I draw a cheer. A cheer? A cheer. And when I walk across the pupa I see him drop a gum, stretch out teeth and start to foam.
Dada?
Well, me never wait for find out. I Heathrow Airport, Scotland Yard, hang on for me. As me was about to board the BOAC flight back to Kingston.
So, what about the boy's father?
Yeah.
Well, they say heading get funny after that. And if fear sex so. At 25 years me get. A prison when it wasn't church. stone and burning and prison. Me now go back to England. That them place they are not for me. And now me know when Jack cure mean when he say prison and no better rose. Liberty will be thing.
But why so gloomy? All's well that ends well.
Yes, and this is a reunion. A happy occasion.
Yeah, a celebration.
Oh, you are all so correct. It is a celebration. We all should be happy.
That's right.
Mr. Music Man, will you please play the Ken Booth rhythm for me?
Take it away!
Them children, them move the stop for a long time.
And selector, could you give me a voicemail, please?
Even when it seems like we have no hope in this world, just be someone on our side.